So let me explain the structure of any Chrome extension. Extensions basically are made of components, and these components contain background scripts, content scripts, an options page, UI elements, and various logic files. Of course, not all of these are mandatory. Some of them are, and some are optional. And I'm going to show you a typical folder of a Chrome extension. So a typical Chrome extension contains background.js, manifest.json, options.html, options.js, popup HTML, and popup.js, and maybe multiple other JS files, JavaScript files. And of course, some images, sometimes some CSS files and assets if they aren't included already in the HTML files. So what's the importance of each of these? First of all, the manifest file is mandatory. Any Chrome extension must have a manifest file. And the manifest file is used to store information about the extension, such as the name, the description, permissions, and the location of assets used in the project. Secondly, we have the background.js. And as the name suggests, it contains code that runs in the background, such as listening for a specific change in Google Chrome browser's tab or window. We also have popup.html, and this is part of the UI, the user interface. It's the user interface which enables users to interact with the extension, and it uses the popup.js to listen to those interactions the user makes. So the popup.js is a JavaScript file that is responsible for listening for interactions in the popup.html. Finally, we have the options page, which is optional as well. You can add options so that the user can set their own options.